Hi, to set up OTG connection on your Poco X7 Pro, all we have to do is open Settings and now scroll down to find Additional Settings tab. After that, scroll a bit more and in this section Special Features, you should see OTG. So simply tap it, and as you can see, this feature allows you to connect to and power Type-C devices. If connected earphones, USB drives, or other devices aren't recognized, turn the OTG switch. It will turn off automatically every 10 minutes it'll. So to enable it, just tap on this switcher so it will light up blue, and now it's on and you can connect your Bluetooth, USB drives, and so on. To disable, just tap it again. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.